Would you like to know how to make this chain by hand using objects from your workshop? If your answer is yes, then keep watching. Hello my beautiful people, my name is Basia and I'm a self-taught metalsmith. Welcome back to another tutorial. Let's look around our workshop and see what we could use to make a chain. I want to find objects that are flat and rectangular, something I can wrap my wire around and shape it. It's raining outside now and it feels like the autumn is just around the corner. But gloomy weather won't stop us from creating, right? For this project, I am using a sterling silver wire, which is rather soft and flexible. It will be easier to work with and wrap it around. The thickness I'm using here is 0.80 millimeters or 20 gauge. The first object I will be working with is this metal ruler. It's the exact width I wanted for the wider chain links. I'm using flat nose pliers to help me wrap the wire around tightly and evenly. First few loops aren't perfect, it's definitely something to improve, but the next ones started to be better and shaped more evenly. It's all about practice. Next tool I will be using is this flat needle file for smaller chain links. The wire is wrapped snugly, so there isn't much space for the snips. That's why I'm only able to cut 1 or 2 chain links at a time, and then I move them a bit lower to make space. I will also use this solder pick. As you can see, it's flat and similar to that flat needle file. I have a feeling it might work great and the size is perfect. All of the chain links are now finished and ready to be shaped and soldered. I'm using my pliers to make sure that each link is perfectly closed, and then rawhide mallet to flatten them and make sure that they are flat and even. They're aligned in the way I want to connect them, and I'm soldering closed the small ones because I want to attach them onto the big ones, and then I'm going to solder the big ones. As you can see, I'm using a little bit of soldering paste. I don't need more, honestly, just a little bit is enough. But you can also use solder that's cut into little pieces, not necessarily a soldering paste. After soldering, I am cleaning my chain in the pickling solution. That's why it has this white color. All oxidation has been removed. So now all that's left is to polish it. And the fastest way to do it would be to just pop it into the tumbler and let tumbler do its work. That's the best way, and you're gonna take it out all nice and shiny. So I would recommend it a lot. And now I'm just going to attach a little clasp on my chain. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Make sure you check out my channel because there's lots of other videos. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!